How to use the Amazon gift card balance correctly. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, launch your preferred browser and search for Amazon.com or tap open your Amazon application. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Before it, check for Amazon balance, which is available in gift card option or your account option. Once you have rest assured that you have enough Amazon balance, then tap on the cart option. Or you can shop for the item in the Amazon web pages. Then tap on proceed to check out. Over here, you need to fill out all of this form layout and select on the use this address. Now while you are checking out, you will see the select a payment method. From here, you can select a new one and tap on the add a gift card promo code or voucher. In here, you can use the gift card code which is present at the back or just deselect it and tap on continue. By this way, you'll be able to use your Amazon gift card correctly. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.